Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Babu Krishna. Today we are going to discuss Linux Basics Unit 5 VI Editor. So, as a general procedure, we'll open the relevant documents and then we will start our discussion. So, let me open the outline. So, today is VI Editor we are going to discuss. So, now let us open the presentation, so and notes actually. Okay, so let me open the notes. Okay, so let us say unit 5. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the editor, VA editor actually. Okay, so or Vim, so doesn't matter, both the comments will be same actually. Okay, so as a general practice, we will start with our discussion, then we will uh, come to our slides which we are just want to cover. We have missed anything actually. Okay, so let us begin our discussion. So VA editor, why we need VA editor first of all actually. So like whenever you're working, like let us assume as an admin or something, and you booted that one in a Linux system in administrative mode, then you want to have your GUI actually. So you have only one terminal, and then you need to edit the files, modify the files, and all. Okay, so that is one way. And a programmer, if working in a low level and all, he also doesn't have any hardware or any GUI. Then in that case, the only editor it is supported is VI. Okay, so better you learn the VI editor, so it will be very much useful actually. So that is, as we discussed, editor is of two types: graphics editor, non-graphics editor. Okay, so graphics editor, which is generally gedit. Okay, and the non-graphics editor or command line editor. Okay, graphics or command line editor. So this is nothing but VI or Vim. Okay, so VI means visual editor actually. So which you just see with your eyes. Visual editor, of course, the graphics also you will do the same. So Vim means VI improved version actually. Okay, so VI improved version. Vim stands for. So what is the differences? There are certain differences actually. Vim is very much effective. So you will there are little comments which we will discuss in the slide. There are if you ask me what is the major difference, the major difference it is when we open a very big file actually, and whenever you navigate in the VI, the very big file, I am talking in the order of MBs and all actually. So whenever you navigate, it will be faster in the Vim and it will be little slow in the VI. So as per my experience, I faced the VI Vim. So you can experiment. You can take 50 MB, 100 MB file, then you do. But if you are opening a 1 KB, 2 KB file, doesn't matter actually. Both will be same. Okay, so let us start our discussion. So in the VA editor, you have let me open the terminal. Okay, so then we will go to our Linux samples. Okay, so this is our home directory. Okay, we created one f1.txt. We'll also create just a couple of files actually, f3.txt. Okay, so if I say ls minus l, okay, f1, f2, f3 are there. This it's okay. Whatever if you want, we will use actually. Okay, so now this editor, like you cannot. So how you want to write a file? Just you need to say VA file name actually, and then you will. Okay, so this is one line is there. So maybe I'll just say remove file. Okay, again I will touch this particular file actually. Okay, so now I open f1.txt. You can see the empty line, and you can see here 0 lines, whatever the 0 column where the cursor is positioned, and you have the line number and all this information. So directly you cannot type whatever you want in the VA editor. You need to follow certain procedure. So you need to follow certain modes actually. Okay, so there are 3 modes. Okay, so what is this edit mode? Okay, and then command mode, and then um, EX mode actually. So there are three modes which you can do the operations. Okay. So edit mode. So if you ask me, like, no, I opened the default in this VI. Now what is this mode actually? So this is the default mode. So default mode is command mode actually. So means what, you are in the command mode. So what operations you perform on the edit mode, what operations you will perform on command mode, what operations you will perform on the EX mode actually. So simple, like, no, what operations you will perform on the edit mode is just editing the text actually. So edit mode means you are just editing the text, nothing else you will be doing actually, editing text. So here command mode, what you will be doing actually. So I want to copy certain lines and then paste certain lines and then delete certain lines and then go to particular line. Okay, so particular line or whatever particular line or particular column in the same line, or like, no, navigation keys, or going to navigation keys, like, no, and then like next or previous pages. Okay, like these all the operations, are like, no, deleting certain words, delete certain words, like copy words, delete characters, and all these particular operations. So many are there actually. So but we will see the very quite useful. So whatever we see, that one, 99% of the times that would be enough. If you want more, you need to refer on that as per the your requirement actually. So these are the things what you will generally do for command mode. So EX mode, what you can do, like, no, like EX mode, generally you will do the search, replacement. These are the like, no, text you need to, if you want to find certain text, you will do this, and then if you want to replace, you will do this, and you want to save the file, quit, and all these operations, you will do that, reload the file. Okay, and then execute shell commands, and all that things generally you will do with the EX mode actually. Okay, so EX mode, which you will, it will be displayed here. So whatever I am highlighting, it will be displayed here actually. So that is the EX mode. Okay, so let us begin our discussion. So as our we need to enter into the edit mode and do the operation, nothing else we will do actually in the edit mode. Okay, so now let us assume, I will say here edit mode. Okay, so let me make it into center. Okay, so now uh, whatever the lines actually, and say the command mode. Okay, so now let us assume I am in the command mode actually. I need to enter into the edit mode actually. How I will go to this particular enter into the edit mode. So let us take the shape one. So we'll try to see whether I can draw properly. Otherwise we will just write a simple thing. Okay, so now uh, okay, so this is edit to the command mode to edit mode. So let us draw again. So at least this is a okay shape. Okay, so I never thought like I will able to draw at least this much. Okay, so now this one is the sorry, control there. Okay, so now command mode to edit mode. So now we need whatever the edit mode to command mode actually. Okay, so what are these things you will be doing? So now you are in the default command mode actually. What you will be doing to enter into the edit mode? Simple, there are multiple ways of doing. So either you can say I, okay, so I, okay, so here I need to remove this. Okay, so capital I. Okay, so now maybe this one, either of these, or go, and no, better A, then this one, why it is giving like this. Okay, so this is problem with this, the automatically they will do that. Okay, so this one with A and, okay, give me a couple of seconds. So just for our purpose, I am just writing that. Okay, Okay. So now let us assume I can say whatever. Uh, okay. So you can see here from edit mode to command mode to edit mode, you can go in multiple ways actually. So you can say like no I, you can say A, and you can say O, and capital I, capital A, capital O. Either ways you can do. And this one edit mode to command mode, this is only one way you will like no do that particular one. So that is nothing but escape actually. Okay, so edit mode to command mode you will do only the escape, but from command mode to edit mode you can do in a multiple ways actually. So we will see each discussion each of these. Okay, so let us start with our like no edit mode commands actually. Edit mode, you know that when editing the text, nothing else you will do. Okay, so since it is I, capital I and all, so okay. Okay. Since it is like no I, capital I and all that particular thing, edit mode is also called the I stands for insert mode, and A stands for append mode, or O stands for open mode actually. So we will see what the operations will do. And then command mode is also called the escape mode actually. So whenever somebody says escape mode or this terminology, don't get confused. These are the other names actually. Generally, this is the edit mode to edit the text. It is also called these modes, and then command mode is also called the escape mode. Okay, so let us go with that. So now I am here. Now I am trying to press I actually. So you should believe me, because that I will not be like no displayed. But you have, whenever you say all these things, you will get this text underneath actually. So this is in the latest status, so you can by you can see that one. Now you are in the insert mode. Okay, this is, I'll just write some text actually. This is my file name, f1.text. Okay, this is line 2 of my file. I am writing something. Okay, last line of my file. Okay, so I am just writing this particular one. I just said I written something. Okay, and then I entered the dollar. Sorry, like no entered. I made enter. So then, like then I've written all these three lines actually. Once I have done that one, I have pressed escape. So you can see here, if I press escape, now you don't have this insert thing actually. Okay, so this is a normal text you are writing actually. Okay, so now let us assume I want to like no I want to uh, write the same line here also in the fourth line. What I need to do actually? So as of now I am using the arrow keys. So arrow keys only work in the command mode. Don't try the arrow keys in the edit mode, it may not work. Okay, so now let us assume I want to do what is this, like no I want to copy this actually. Then what I need to do, I just say yy. Okay, and then p. Okay, so now it pasted actually. So these are the commands. Yy means copy the line. Okay, p means paste the line actually. Okay, so you want to paste like no before or after actually. Okay, so if you want to paste from the current line, below the current line, then small p. Okay, below current line. And if you want to paste above the current line, then it is uh, capital P actually. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so you need to invest some time into the VA editor, because it is a little time consuming one. So I hope you will be having that time to learn completely, at least of course one time thing. Okay, so now I already have this particular one. Now let me, I am in the line 3. Okay, so line 3, you can see here it, I am in the line 3. Then I will just say I am now pressing capital P. Okay, so now it is written this one like no capital P in the above actually. So you can experiment. Okay, so now let us assume now I came here. Now I am like no you can see here 5 lines of text I have actually. Now I am saying 5 by y. You can see here 5 lines have been yanked, means copied actually. Now I am coming to the last line. I am pressing 3p. So you can expect that what happens actually. So 5 into 3, 15, and then 5. Okay, so you can see here total 20 lines are there actually. So whenever you do certain operations, it will be something like NYY, NP or N capital P. It is up to you. So all the operations in the VI, it is in multiples of N. Means it is not only for one thing. You can do whatever the like no for multiple things actually. So now let us assume you want to do this one. Now you want to delete some lines actually. Okay. I came here actually, so I want to delete this line actually. So now I say DD. Okay. So single DD is delete the line actually. Delete the line. Okay. So you can also say NDD. Okay. So now I want to delete. So let us assume I am here in this line. Okay. So now I will delete all these 4 lines actually. So after last line, this last line also will come into picture. So 4DD. Now you can see here actually. Okay. So like now, of course, this last line I am not using as a last line. So this is just for our information. So don't take exactly, okay, this is not last line like that. So it is just for our understanding. Okay. So now maybe you can replace last line with the next line. Okay, so we'll see that actually. So now I have whatever multiple lines I have to delete, I can do this particular one, delete. Okay, so now let us assume I don't want to delete all this one. I just want to delete this word actually. So I'm not like no good at this line actually. Last I don't want actually. Okay, then what I will do, I'll just say DW. Okay, then that is delete the word actually. So same thing applies. Okay, so if you want to like no delete multiple words, let us assume now I am here, I am in this cursor, I want to delete, maybe here I will be there, I want to delete 3 words. So it will be 1 word, 2 word, 3 words actually. So let us see if I delete what happens. 3DW. So you can see here 3 lines got deleted, and then you got that particular one. So in delete word. So if you want to undo actually, so let's assume you want to undo this particular one, you can just say U. Okay, so you can say U for undo actually. Okay, and then you want to redo actually. So if you want to redo, what is it? Control. Okay, so if you want to redo actually, so it is Control R. Okay, the Control R, correct. So if you want to redo actually, so this is like no. Control R actually. Okay, so we have seen delete line, delete word, and let us assume I want to delete the characters actually. I don't want to delete all these. Let us assume I want to delete something for like it includes the space also. So let us assume up to this I want to delete, means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I will just come here. So like in this line, and I will say 9x. Okay, so you can see here it is 9 characters got deleted actually. Okay, so X is delete character. Okay, so don't go with the terminology. DD means delete line, DW means delete word, then DC. Okay, not like that actually. X is delete word, and you have as usual, this is N. Okay, NX actually. So if you have multiple lines, then that particular one. So now let us assume I want to do in the line navigation actually. So I am here, I want to go to the end of the line, you just say dollar, and the beginning of the line 0. Okay, end of the line again went to the dollar or caret symbol actually. So this is the beginning of the line. Okay, either caret symbol or 0, beginning of the line, beginning of the line, and dollar, end of the line actually. Okay, so this is whatever the base commands actually. Okay, so now let us assume I want to go to the, now I am here actually. Okay, now I want to go to last line actually. So now just say shift G, it means capital G actually. So it will take you to the last line. So now I am here, I want to know this line information. Even though you know this one, I just want to know complete information. You just say Control G. Okay, so then it will say modified, this file has got modified. So and then whatever some more information actually. Okay, so what we have seen like no shift G, control capital G is last line, and then control CNTR CTRL, control G, small g. Okay, so this is current line information actually. Okay, so these are the base commands what you will be like no needing. The apart from this, you have lot many. So now we seen that one delete word and all. Why I need to delete word actually? I want to change this word actually. So I can say CW. Okay, change word. So what you want to change? Okay. So I'll say next line. Okay, whatever. Okay. So and then I want to insert of my file, something like that. Okay. So this is whatever the like no CW actually. Okay, so you not only single, you can also do the multiple one. Okay, so then change word. Okay, so this is whatever you do in the change word actually. Okay, now we have seen the base one, whatever the change word, beginning, ending, what else, change word, dd, dwy, base. Okay, so now let us see the navigation keys actually. Okay, so let us see the navigation keys actually. Okay, so now there are four navigation keys. Okay, so hj, h, like no, maybe hj, k, L. Okay, so you can remember something like this. L is whatever like now. I'll insert the shape. Okay, so L is like now moves let us assume this is L is like now one row, like sorry, one column right actually. Okay, one column right. So now if you say with the k actually, so if you say with k, this one. Okay, so now if you see this particular one, this is L is right actually. Okay, so maybe I don't need this shape. So maybe I'll just say, I will try once. I don't want to waste much time on this. So line, I'll just say line actually. Okay, so this one, I want this one. Okay, so this is whatever the line. So means what? One in the same row, it is going one character right actually. It is means one column right. Okay, so if you take k actually, k will be like no one character, uh, okay, one character whatever up actually. Okay, one character up. So now if you take j, j will be one character, let me give one character down. Okay, means like now this is in the next row actually. Okay, now if you take whatever the like H actually, H will be one character left actually. Okay, so this is how it will navigate actually. Okay, so why we need to navigate? We have the arrow keys. That may be first thought actually. So why we need? Because if that thing, some cases it may not work actually. In that case, you need to navigate. Some exceptional cases, the arrow keys may not be working, or some terminal setting problem or something. Then this will work 100% actually. So let us check on that. So now I am here actually. So if you see here, I am like now I will use now H actually. So if I use H, so you can see here it is whatever two columns it is going actually. And then not only like that actually, you can say 3H also. So I say I am pressing now 3H. Now it is three columns left. It is like now it is in the same row. Now I will press whatever the like L actually. I am pressing 5L. Okay, so you can see here I will be here actually. Now I press, I want to go up actually. I want to go up means K actually. So I say 4K. So you can see here 4K. Okay, so you can see here 1 2 like that actually. Now I want to go down, so I am just pressing J. Okay, so J and then K. Okay, now I am here. I will press 1 2 3 4 5 6 6J. Okay, so you can see here 6J. That's what it is navigating to different things actually. So now let us see, before going this, let us see like now I want this page navigation actually. So now I have 15 lines, I know that one. So I say 15 YY. Okay, I'll come to last line, shift G, and now I say 20 paste actually. You can see here like 300, whatever, 15 into 20, 300 plus 15, 315 files actually, 315 lines will be there actually. Now I am in the first page. I want to go to the next page actually. You can see here 36 it is written actually. Okay. Now I am doing Control F. Okay. So you can see here it is going page by page. This is very important thing. This will be used in other things also. So now one page forward means like Control F, page forward, and Control back, page backward actually. Okay, so these are the base commands what you will be having that. Okay, so there are other commands. So let us assume I will come to the like no whatever I say one shift G is last line, right? So one capital G, then it will tell you whatever the line actually. Okay, so this last line you can say NG, it will be first line actually. So like NG line, then line number it will go actually. Okay, so now let us assume I want to do what is it I wanted to R actually. So now let us assume I want to replace this one with like the capital letters actually. So you can use the tilde symbol. Okay, so tilde symbol is whatever the change, it will change the case actually. Okay, changes the case of that particular one, changes the case. And small r, capital R is for replacement actually. Okay, so small r is only one character replacement. Capital R is replace, you will replace until you press escape actually. So now I am pressing R like now some A. Okay, so replacing R with A. So now I will come here, I am pressing capital R. Okay, then I am writing, this is my, okay, this is to experiment something I am writing actually. Okay, editor commands. Okay, so something I am writing. So now I press escape, then it went to this particular one. So capital R, if you see here, it placed like no capital replace actually. Okay, so you want to replace the text. Okay, so we will see the continuation in the next video. So thanks, like no, we'll continue in the next video. Bye for now.